Hello, friend. Welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute, and I'm here today to show you our brand new monthly planning kit for March. It's mid of February, but we are, as planner and journaler, we are shipping and launching and shipping the March planning kit already. So if you are a subscriber, you should be able to get in this beautiful kit very soon. If you have not subscribed, now is the best time because we have a lot more sign up than I expected. So we may not have enough for the one-off, but you can definitely get this as a subscriber, monthly subscription, as that's what we prioritize. So I want to show you what's in there. Spring is coming, and always every spring we got a burst of creativity. We are getting rid of the winter, the cold, rigid winter, and spring is all about bloom. So that's why this kit called In Bloom, and it's all about gardening, green plants, flowers, all this beautiful nature stuff. So I cannot wait to show you. Let's take a look. Okay, let's take a look at this beautiful kit called In Bloom. This kit comes with like a hot, like a cardstock backing, and we have this like plastic shrimp, but and in the back we have like a display of what this kit looks like. However, we may change it in the future of how we packaging it. We'll make it more environmental sustainable. So that's something we are still designing. But the best way and easiest way to open would be use a knife or scissor to cut it. That's the easiest way without ripping apart. Like that. So we got a PET, In Bloom PET. Okay, friend, I'm able to get those stuff out. We got a pen, has a little bit dots, specks on the I think this is part of the design. So we got this beautiful pen. Top you right, every month comes with a beautiful pen. Then we got the In Bloom. The meat and butter of this kit is the planning kit. And then we have the PET 3.0, which is the matte finish pre-cut and super long 1.5 meter repeat. So, and then you can still use even the backing for some sort of junk journal if you want to. Let me show you the, so I just showed you the pen. Now let's take a look at the planning kit. 19 page. So, blossom like the flower you are. This is a standard 5-page of functional. You got the floral, you got the field, the wildflower field, the beautiful girls that we hand drawn, hand by hand, and the plants. Like this whole illustration, we hand drawn them. The girl is beautiful, and this girl, she looks just finished her garden. Get it done. Love this lady as well. And look at her, she's holding a pot and full of hope. This is some functional headers. You got goals, appointment, and some bullet dots. So this the size. A lot of people ask how big is this kit. So this kit fits perfectly for a bullet journal, and I will show you. This is what I did for February, for our February kit. And then I'll show you the March. So this is perfect for the March. So like you can use this for your planner, happy planner or any other planner. And you can also use to do creative journaling, such as this like bullet journal. So the size is pretty much as big as a A5 bullet journal size. So just want to answer your question. I know a lot of people are curious. And next one is the dates, numbers and dates. And then you got the alphabets and numbers too. So you can like make your own some sort of words. Now we have 4 clear stickers. So don't worry if you think, oh, that's not enough sticker. That's where exactly what the PET tape for. Give you loads of stickers without you have to worry. So we got the blossom like the flower you are, the hand-drawn girls, beautiful floral and the plants, and the gardening. We all grow differently. Let's root for each other. Be a flower in your own garden. And then we got 2 sheets of washi strips. So this is actually washi paper. They are actual washi paper. The thin and like kind of half translucent washi paper like you have for the actual washi roll. But this, we made them into sheets, just easy to carry. So you can make beautiful borders or accents from those washi sheets. Then we got 4 vellum paper. Those paper are great for layering, making like little pockets, add accents to your journal, or even use background as backgrounds. And then you got 4 sheets of scrapbooking paper. So those you can literally do whatever you want, right? Because they're just paper with like different patterns that you can use for background, for borders, for even if you need to write on it, you can be beautiful, a creative journal paper or something. So that's the kit that has 19 page. That has 19 page of different purpose of sticker or backgrounds. So this is really give you one-stop shop that you don't have to go finding the matching stickers, matching background paper. You have everything you need to just sit down and plan and creative journal. So that's the frustration that I had before I started this subscription, is that I cannot find, I I have stickers, but I have to find something to match the stickers, and or I don't have washi that can go with it. So like that's why we created this planning kit. It's literally you have everything you need to sit down and plan your month, plan your dream. And every month there's a new theme, seasonal theme. So you never need to worry about, oh, what do I do for next month? So there is the PT 3.0. We'll open it and take a look. I got it open, and then let's take a look at this beautiful PT. So all the PT are pre-cut. You kind of can see the cutting line. And then with all this 1.5 meter of different stickers, you really have plenty. Like you don't never need to worry about run out. It's have 3 repeat of 1.5. Actually, it's more than 3 because the total is 5 meter long. But you really got variety of different stickers in different elements and growth to make your journal pop. So yeah, so from here we just saw the let's root for each other. I want to show you how long it is. So that's our PET 3.0. It has been upgraded twice, so very excited about this new venture. So let's root for each other. So it's like this much long, right? You got so much stickers to choose from, and then you got another 2 loops of a repeat, so total 3 repeats. So that's the planning kit that we have, right? A pen, a PET, and the kit. If you subscribe, we ship free worldwide. So no matter where you are, it's free shipping to your door. And we are growing the subscribers every single day. So we may not have them as one-off. So the only way you can get is to subscribe, become a subscriber, either 3 months or 6 months of your choice. And this kit for retail is $42.99, but if you subscribe, it's like $33 or $36 including shipping. So it's a super great deal. And as you know, this is like come out from a frustration that I have, that I can never find the matching. Like I just want some sort of a creative supply for me to sit down and do my magic. So I don't want to go look through all my stickers and my scrapbooking papers and trying to mix and match. I just love the fact that we can design one kit for everything you need and extra, right? Because this is a lot. So this is a super great deal and a great product. Of course, I'm biased, but so far, if you check out our review, everybody has been loving our planning kit. So I'm very happy to see that. If you have any question or any suggestion, let me know down below, and I will post the link for you to subscribe. Literally, no matter where you are, we ship worldwide. We ship worldwide. So super excited about this new kit. Spring is coming. Make sure you get the subscription for the next 6 or 3 months, so you will be all set. Every month you got fresh new kit for you to plan your magic. Thank you so much, everyone. I can't wait I have been working on some vlogs, and I will be posting very soon. So talk to you soon, friend.